The True Cost of F. One sponsorship, an investment insight. Imagine your brand speeding through glamorous circuits worldwide, gaining exposure at breakneck speeds. Formula One. Sponsorship offers unparalleled prestige and visibility, capturing the attention of millions globally. But what does it cost to be part of this high-octane sport? F. One sponsorship isn't just about slapping a logo on a car. It involves substantial financial investments ranging from $500,000 to over $50 million, depending on the team's popularity and performance. This investment grants access to exclusive networking opportunities and aligns your brand with innovation and excellence.
What makes F1 sponsorship worth the price? It's all about the return on investment. Brands see significant boosts in global recognition and customer engagement. Sponsors enjoy a high-speed platform for introducing new products and engaging with fans that are passionate, loyal, and diverse. Take a look at Red Bull. Their sponsorship of an F1 team has seamlessly integrated brand visibility, boosting market share and brand equity. On a smaller scale, companies like Force India have leveraged sponsorship to enter new markets and enhance brand prestige, showcasing the versatility of F1 partnerships.
Maximize your investment by activating your sponsorship across multiple channels. Use social media campaigns, exclusive events, and interactive content to deepen audience engagement. Collaborate with F1 teams to co-create marketing initiatives that align with your brand goals and resonate with fans. Intrigued by the potential of F1 sponsorship? Take the leap into the world of high-speed marketing by analyzing your brand's fit and strategic goals. Contact industry experts to tailor a sponsorship package that accelerates your brand's journey to the forefront of global recognition. Act now and steer your marketing strategy into the fast lane of success.